In this Fusion Cash review, I'm going to be showing you a GPT style website in which you guys can make money by watching videos, doing tasks, downloading app and all that stuff and make money. So make sure you stay to the end of this review as I'm going to show you if Fusion Cash is worth your time. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vijay Koshi. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best ideas about new websites, software and courses. If you want to get my #1 recommended strategy that is personally helping me to make from 0 to $5,000 to $10,000 per month, you can click the first link in the description. It's an absolutely free affiliate marketing guide. So let's start with Fusion Cash. So Fusion Cash is basically a GPT style website. That means you can get paid to click. So you can get paid to click by watching their videos, by completing their tasks, by downloading their apps. You can refer friends and you can take surveys and you can get paid for doing all of these tasks, and you can get a tiny bit of money from GPT style websites like Fusion Cash. So you can be earning about $1 to $2 for every 3 to 4 hours that you spend on this website. It really depends. So the average is about $1 to $2 for every 3 to 4 hours that you spend. So it's not a lot of money, but you can make a tiny bit of money, maybe $60 per month or $50 to $80 per month using websites like this. But you will have to invest at least 6 hours a day in order to make money like that. The problem with GPT style website is that you can't be earning a lot of money that can make you financially independent. All it can do is pay a little of your bills. Maybe $60 can get you paid your electricity bill or buy some groceries, and that's all you can do with website like this. So it's not going to make you a lot of money. And the thing about Fusion Cash is it has been around for quite some time. It has been there for at least 5 years. And disclaimer guys, this is only for people that are based in US. So if you're not from the US, you can't be using this website. And the thing about Fusion Cash is that it has been there for almost 5 years, and recently Fusion Cash has been getting a lot of bad reviews. I think this Fusion Cash is going to be falling because recently they are not paying their users the money they are supposed to get. So the threshold is about $25, which is quite high when compared to other GPT style websites. So $25 threshold is quite high. And the reason why I'm telling you guys is that this company right here, I think it's going to be shut down. So if you go to Trustpilot, this is where you can get the reviews of Fusion Cash. So if you go to the 1 star, these are like the recent reviews of Fusion Cash. It used to be a legitimate website, but now they are not paying their users. So you can see the review. I got banned from taking TAP research. So I got banned from taking TAP research survey because they said I did something fraudulent. I sent them a message asking what I did wrong and no response. Pretty sad and pathetic customer service. I did nothing wrong and deserve an explanation. So as you can see, they are simply banning their users once they reach their threshold. This is what Fusion Cash has been doing for quite some time. I think the major reason why they do is I think they are going to be exiting this business by taking all of your money. So if it were me, I would definitely stay away from Fusion Cash. There are other legitimate GPT style website if you want to make a little bit income, but Fusion Cash right now it is falling, so I really don't recommend this. You can see from Ryan Jackson, who's from the US, he said bad and cheap service. They lowered that amount that you can earn through the signups. Also, they took the bonus from clicking websites away. This company is becoming greedy with their cheap service that they offer. I would be embarrassed as a customer to continue using the site. So as you can see, that's a bad review. Then you have Eric Van Pelt, who's from the US. I have a payout pending and this site is so and so on. So they're telling you to stay away. They have totally abandoned Fusion Cash. I wish I could give the site so all this bad reviews If it were me, I would also stay away from this website, because I find this website falling off. I think they're using a kind of exit scam. So guys, definitely I don't recommend you guys even signing up into Fusion Cash. There are other GPT style websites like Swagbucks, Index Dollars, that are pretty legitimate, and you can be earning up to 20 to 40 $50 per month if you use those website. I really don't recommend this GPT style website. So that's basically it for this video of Fusion Cash. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to check out my number one recommended strategy that is personally making me about 0 to 5,000 to $10,000 per month, you can click the first link in the description. It's a free affiliate marketing guide. You can try it as well. So that's basically it for this video, and I hope to see you guys on another review video.